Here's how to find your Roblox password. This is for those who want to find their Roblox password before resetting it. So we are going to use a web browser in this example. Go ahead, open your web browser, and then after tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. From here, tap on Settings. Now tap on Autofill and Passwords, that is below you and Google in the left-hand side of the screen. Now tap on Google Password Manager, which is under Autofill and Passwords. Now in the password section, you need to simply scroll down and search for Roblox. Or you can also use a search bar in the top and simply search for roblox.com. Go to roblox.com, enter your password of your device. Here you'll get the list of Roblox accounts with their password. Now if you want to see the password, tap on this eye icon over here and you'll be able to see the password of your specific account. Now, in order to copy it, you can simply use this icon over here, and you can see the indication that password has been copied to the clipboard, and then you can log into your account. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.